Boyle's law states that the pressure of a gas is inversely related to volume. Pressure is inversely related to volume when temperature is constant. Okay, what does that mean? This means they are inversely related. That means if pressure increases, volume decreases, and this is what is kind of being shown in this picture. Pressure increases, so this is the first pressure and first volume. When the pressure decreases, when the pressure increases, volume decreases. Now mathematically, this can be shown as P1 V1 equals P2 V2. Sometimes they also say PI VI, as in pressure initial, volume initial, is equal to PF VF, final pressure and final volume. So what does it mean? This means that if you have a sample of gas at a certain pressure, say P1, at a certain volume V1, this is your first condition, a certain pressure and certain volume. Then what you do is you, let's say, increase pressure. Okay, increase pressure and keep the temperature constant. That's very important. Temperature constant. And of course, you're also keeping the moles constant. You're not changing the amount of gas. So what you did is you took a gas in a container at certain pressure and certain volume, and then you increased pressure and you didn't do anything to the temperature. So you kept the temperature constant. What happens is that it goes to P2, the temperature to which you increased it, the volume changes. Okay, so when you increase temperature, volume changes. And how does it change? It will be less than V1. So in this case, V2 will be less than V1 and P2 is greater than P1. So if you increase pressure, volume decreases, and if you decrease pressure, volume increases. That's what we mean by inversely proportional. Okay, but again, the condition is that the temperature and number of moles of the gas are constant. That's why when they state Boyle's law, when Boyle's law is stated, it is mentioned that for a fixed amount of gas, that means what is being specified is that the amount of gas is constant. For a constant amount of gas, for a fixed amount of gas at constant temperature, pressure and volume are inversely related.